Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. Today we will write about times we helped or shared with others. These are real events that show kindness. What makes these stories special? Personal stories are special because they show real people and real feelings. Here's a short personal story. Notice how it shows the action and the feeling. I'll read the story to you. Ready? Let us begin. My friend dropped her books. I picked them up and gave them back. She smiled and said thank you. I felt good for helping her. Now it's your turn. Think about a time you helped someone. Write about the time you helped someone. Write about what you did and how it made you feel. Sometimes we need help too. Here's another writing prompt. Write about a time someone helped you. Tell what happened and how you felt. Great job. You practiced writing about helping today. These stories matter because they show kindness and real experiences. Great job. You did it. Now I have an assignment for you. Your assignment is to review the lesson we learned today. If you find it difficult to do any of the assignments, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you can complete this lesson with ease. When you can complete this lesson with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session. But before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of learning this interactive lesson, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye bye.